channel, my lovely people. Mama P's in the kitchen again today.
All right, so what you making today, Mom?
I am going to make some vegetarian tofu vegetables with spaghetti.
Yes. All right, so tell me what's the ingredients.
Okay, so here I have a pack of tofu. I have the cabbage. I'm gonna cook half of this. I'm not gonna use all of that. That's too big. Here I have my green vegetable, which is my bell peppers, my carrots. I have scallion, some thyme, and a few seeds of what is that? Pimento. A few seeds of pimento.
Butter.
Okay, and the butter. Garlic. Okay. I have black pepper here, adobo, complete seasoning, onion powder, salt-free dash, flavor blend, seasoned salt, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the sesame oil in my vegetable because I just like the taste of it. It's optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Olive oil, and that's the spaghetti. You guys, you're gonna see when I just put everything together. See, a vegetarian friend of mine, she told me how to make this dish.
All right.
And I made it already and I really like it, so I decided to just show it to you guys.
Nice, nice.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the process and cut up my tofu and my vegetables and the cabbage. Okay.
Nice.
All right, so I'm gonna dry these off as they are kind of wet. Take the water off them because you don't want them to crumble. Guys, you see, you just dry them off because when you fry them, you don't want them to pop all over the place. So you dry them before you put them in the oil. And this is a quick half-an-hour dish. It doesn't take long. 1, 2, 3, and you're finished. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle a little onion powder. Not too much because we're gonna put it in the cabbage. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little all-purpose, a little seasoning salt. Not too much of anything, about a half a teaspoon because you don't want it salty. And a little bit of that. Alright, so that's about a half a teaspoon of everything. Okay, my adobo and the black pepper. Alright. Alright, so that's about it. I'm gonna leave that there for a while and then I'm gonna cut up all my green seasoning. I'm gonna use a half of this cabbage. This is a huge cabbage. I wash it before I'm washing again. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour some oil in the pot. I'm getting ready to fry the tofu. Alright, so now my oil is hot, so I'm gonna put my tofu in to fry. You have to gentle with them because you don't want them to break up. So gentle. So let's turn this over.
You see, tofu doesn't even take that long to cook.
No, they're easy to fry. You just have to be gentle with them because you don't want them, they all break up.
And there's different ways. Some people like it fried, some people like it soft, so it's up to you how you like your tofu.
And it tastes so good, it tastes like meat. It tastes so good. You'll never believe how nice this tastes. But I know them vegetarian people love it because it tastes so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the tofu is fried. So I'm going to take them out and set them aside. And you see, they are not crumbling. And I'm gonna taste this little piece.
How it tastes, Mom?
Tastes really good. Alright, so I'm on the second part of it. I'm gonna steam the vegetable now. So I put some butter in. Put in the butter. Let it get melted. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my onion and garlic. I'll put a little olive oil in there. Going with this, my green onions. I just want to put in all my green herbs and stuff like that to release
All the juices.
yeah, because you know that garlic have a lot of flavor in there, so when you do that it releases the flavor into the juice before you put the cabbage in. And that's what makes your food taste so good. Release all this flavor in there. Release the flavor, release the flavor. Yes. Alright, so now let me go in with the carrots, and this is my choice, just a tip of the sesame oil because I really like it in my veggie. Just a tip because it have a heavy taste, so you don't want too much.
See, it was so minuscule that I could barely see it. And you see, guys, we have the water set, and this is for the spaghetti.
Yeah, that's boiling for the spaghetti. And my daughter don't want any tomato in the vegetable, so I won't be putting any tomato today.
But if you like it, you can
You can put tomato. I'm gonna go in with my cabbage now. I'm gonna leave my bell peppers for last because I don't want like when my peppers too soggy. And I'm not putting any water in this. I just want the vegetable, the cabbage, to release the water. So I am not putting any water in. I don't like to steam my vegetable with water. So let that sit there for a bit. While that is going on, let me put a little salt in my water for the spaghetti. Not too much, I don't like too much salt.
Just enough.
Yes, and I'm gonna put a little oil in there too because I don't want the spaghetti to stick to the pot. I'm gonna go in with my spaghetti now, and this is gonna cook for maybe about 8 minutes, 10 minutes the most.
And like I said, some people, if you want it al dente, then you know you could take it out earlier. And you see the trick is she's not breaking it. You don't have to break it. Once the bottom cooks, you're just going to push it down.
Yeah, so it will go down.
Just stir occasionally.
All right, that should be enough right there. You see how the cabbage release the water, so it's
not crunchy. It's going to get softer.
Yeah.
The longer you keep it on the stove.
So while that is doing that, let me put a little spice in there, and this is the complete seasoning. Not a lot, because I don't like vegetable with a lot. And this is the all-purpose.
The adobo.
Yeah. Not a lot. So this is
Black pepper.
maybe a teaspoon. Seasoning salt, onion powder, and table blend.
Dash.
I'm going to cover this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and put in my bell peppers, because I don't like my bell peppers overcooked. 3 minutes. And this is almost done. So let me go in with the bell peppers. And I'm gonna go in with my tofu. See how colorful and pretty that look? Wow! I'm gonna taste it. Perfect. Doesn't need any salt or anything, so I'm just gonna cover it back for maybe another 2-3 minutes, and that's it. All right, so these are ready, I think. I don't want them, I just want them to cook al dente, not too soft. Let me turn this off.
Now she's gonna drain the pasta.
All right, so I'm gonna turn this off. This is cooked. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in the veggie with my pasta. See how nice that look?
It's so creamy.
A blended vegetarian dish. With pasta and carrots and all my green peppers
And tofu.
and the tofu ready to eat. And it's done. Okay, there you have it, guys. Tofu veggie pasta. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another one. Thank you, and God bless.
Lisa.